from words to algebra. That's the next subheading we're going to. We're going to be trying to convert statements we've heard into algebraic symbols. Now remember that the symbols you can have will either be this, or this. So take note of that. These are the four symbols you are permitted to have while dealing with inequality. All right, so let's start. But in this example, we are restricted to just these first two. So let's go exercise 22B. So I'm going to do one. For each of number one, for each of the following statements, write an inequality in terms of the given unknown. You are given H and you are given 5. H and what? 5. So H and 5. They are told that that's for A. The height of the building H is less than 5. It's less than 5. It means that 5 is bigger than H, or H is less than 5. So less than 5 means this is the symbol we are expected to use. Now number B, the mass of a student M is less than 50. C, the cost of food X was over 500, greater than 500. Over. So take note of it. Maybe we should have a kind of nugget here. When do we see this side? It is when we have what? Over. When do we see this one? Less. How we are seeing it? Get a place in your book and do that. Now, the time taken, it was what? Under 5 minutes. That's less than. So under. Now, E. The number of pages was less than 24. P. F now. The mass of the letter M was under. G. The cost of stamp was less than. H. The time for the journey T was over. Over what? 2 hours. I seen it. So that's for question 1. Exercise 2B, question 1. So now you do question 2B. Question 2. A to G. So let's do that. So let's do that. 2A to G. Okay, waiting for your feedback. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to finish that class today. Now let's go to question 2. A student is less than 1.5. So student S is less than 1.5 meters. You can put the meters, you may not put the meter, it doesn't really matter. The capacity of the bottle is less than 800. Bottle B less than what? 800. You can put liters there, you can decide not to put liters, it doesn't really matter. What we want to check is the idea. The book costs more than costs. The car used more than 28 liters. Or rather, the student scored above 60%. Student S scored above 60%. Car used more than, greater than. F, our mass was less than 55. And the light was on for over 6 hours. Now you can use any letter because they've told us to use any letter. So I'll leave you to try to attempt question 3 to 8. So your assignments will be exercise 22B 3 to 8. The assignment is not much, so I expect the assignment submitted latest. Let me see what your schedule is like. Let's say latest 6 p.m. today. Latest 6 p.m. today. It's a very small assignment. All right, thank you very much for the time to have this class with you. I'll release you now so you can. I'll release you now so you can go for your remaining classes. Thank you and God bless.